My name is Hank Morton, and I'm from San Diego, California. I got an implant done and then a crown replaced. Actually, I like to brag when I'm in the United States about how inexpensive this treatment is for what I feel like is a much higher quality of service here in Tijuana. I would definitely recommend that they look for treatment in Tijuana, and I would give them this reference to this dentist. I love my dentist. It's been wonderful, very well attended to, great service so far. No, it's been wonderful. Well, I love my dentist because I'm taking care of this tooth problem that I have. And my mouth feels a lot better now.